There are things you expect to see at Target. Toys. Things to cure your seasonal depression. But what is one thing you don't expect to see at Target? Whatever these are, they're called Fugglers. And they have a ton of them, and they're always sold out. This is the fourth Target I've had to come to find these. So you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna unbuy them, and we're gonna unbox them. They have different types. They have alley cats, they have fuggler light, they have old ones too. Where's the one place I should not be unsupervised? Five Below. And why are we here? Because I left the bag at Target, and it's 40 minutes away. So we're gonna see if Five Below has anything. I think we may have gotten lucky. Should I get the whole box? Really crashing out right now. Wait, this one has a mystery. Now it's time for what you've been waiting for. Let's go unbox these. We are gonna unbox all of these Fugglers. Why do these have human teeth? And why is this one farting? Welcome back to the series where I buy uncomfortable things. And by uncomfortable things, I mean, this one won't stop farting. I don't even know what to do. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. What to do? First on the leaderboard is this fella. It won't stop. I don't know how to make it stop. I also didn't know it did this when I bought it. I really made these and said, you know what? These are adorable. Let's make more. I'm also very confused on why for a booty, I'm not even gonna ask questions I don't wanna know the answers to, but how do I get it to stop? I genuinely have no idea what we're gonna do with this until the end. I think we're gonna have to go hide it. This vlog is taking a drastic turn for the worse. I don't know what these are. These are basically stuffed animals that look like they went through something traumatic, but this is the Care Bear edition. These are not the Care Bears that I remember growing up with in my childhood. These are the Care Bears I remember growing up in my childhood. This one doesn't make noise, thankfully. I just don't get it. The human teeth? Like, look at it. It literally looks like human teeth. And this one looks like it bites. We're gonna put it back in its box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of these. Like what does one do? I got these for you guys. I have like 15 of these, and this isn't even it. I have the mystery ones that I left at Target that I have to go get tomorrow. I'm gonna say this, and I need you to not judge me. I'm being dead serious. There's a reason I got this one. Looks like my dead dog. Please don't judge me. That's literally why I got it. However, it wasn't until we got here that I realized it was the same farting one, and I am not taking that out. That is how you get it to make noise. We are not doing that. We are not. But this one's teeth, the detail, jump scare. No. We're gonna stop the ratings and we're just gonna... I do want to keep this one out though. There's something comforting about it, but... I don't know. I don't even know where this vlog is taking this direction. Where do you even take this? We are unboxing the ugliest stuffed animals on the market. My therapist is gonna ask, what did you do this weekend? And I'm gonna say, I unboxed really ugly stuffed animals for fun. This is another Care Bear edition. And again, these are not the Care Bears that I grew up with. I am a little skeptical because I wanna know how they picked it. Were they like, that was something cute in their childhood, let's make a traumatic edition of it. I'm gonna be really embarrassed if there's like a true meaning behind these monsters and I just haven't done enough research. I don't know. The teeth I think are what creep me out the most, but I did pick this one because I feel like it resembled the Care Bear the most. Oh my God, it has a heart button on its booty. What if, hear me out, what if we make a fuggler wall? I've seen people hang them up, but they hang them up with the boxes in them. If you've made it this far in the video, I need you to tell me what to do with the fugly monsters. Ooh. Welcome to Maddie's halftime show. And if you are new here, Maddie's halftime show is where we are halfway through the video of unboxing or doing ever what we're supposed to be doing, and we're gonna unbox something else. Now, I found these by accident. I went to get cat litter and I found more Neatos, and I actually didn't have these already. These are the fuzzball ones. Just a weird name for any type of squishy. This one's pink. This one has resistance, and it's not like the regular, do I have one? It's not like the super regular ones. It's more like the ice cube. It's got that resistance in it. Okay. The ice cube is my favorite, but these may be coming in number 2 in my Neato haul. I do have the blue one too. I feel like the blue ones get the dirtiest the fastest, so I did get other colors. It's got a little smiley face on it. I'm not really loving the outside texture. It's making my hands super chalky, but I am loving the resistance, and this is one that I would carry in my bag. So I have 5 baby ones to unbox. I did find the Valentine's Day ones, or the ones that people were claiming they were Valentine's Day. I got these at Five Below. So those I got at Target, these I got at Five Below. I did accidentally end up getting 2 of the same Valentine's Day ones, so Oops. We're gonna start off with the blue one. I was so mad because when I left that bag at the other Target, it was an hour away. Guys, when I do these videos, I literally go to so many stores in different cities because I live in a very populated city, and so anything goes viral, it's gone. And I left it there. Okay, moment of truth. This is weird. This one's like kind of different. The arms, this looks like the doll that like when you're a kid you have and everything falls off of it because you absolutely take it everywhere and your parents start like fixing it. That's what that looks like. Now which one? We're gonna do the pink one because I was told that this is the Valentine's Day edition by a kid in Five Below, but I don't know. I think the Valentine's Day ones actually have hearts, but we're gonna see. This one's kind of cute, I will say. It has, again, human teeth. Very concerning, but this one's not as bad. It's kind of cute, but like, I guess, what do you do with these? I guess it's like the Labubus, but these don't even have keychains. So if you use these, buy these, let me know what you buy them for. We got 2 more left. I got this one because it kind of looked like Sully, and if you know anything about me, Sully is my spirit animal. I love Sully from Monsters, Inc. I like Monsters University the best though. Boom. This one, I think, this is the first one that has like a straight top head, and the colors kind of look like Sully. Don't come after me. They had one that looked exactly like him, but it was like a hard figurine, and I was like, no, we're gonna do the soft ones today. Finally, this is the last Valentine's Day edition. This is the one that the kid told me was 100% part of Valentine's Day, and I was like, bet. There's so many of these, you know that means one thing. Stop judging me. I'm trying to decide what these are for. Wait. This one, were they all supposed to be keychains? And this is the only one that actually came with the keychain? Weird. Oh wait, no, this one says keychain. So this one's kind of cute. That is my haul. I need you guys to tell me what to do with these because I don't know what I'm doing.